Motion along a straight line, that means motion is confined to straight line, either the object moves forward or backward. If we take the coordinate system, this is origin of coordinate system, y axis, x axis. If the person moves along positive x axis, then like this, like this, like this, only one coordinate is changing with time, then this is called one dimensional motion or motion along a straight line. Now let me define the displacement, path length. Initially, the object is at plus 10 meters. It is in meters. Here is initial position of the object at point P. Next, it goes to point Q. Then it comes back to point R. Now displacement. Displacement means, by definition, it is the shortest distance between initial and final positions. So initial position vector is OP and final position vector is OR. So what is the shortest distance between initial and final positions? From here to here only. This is the shortest possible distance between initial and final positions. So this is displacement. So what is its value? From here to here it is 20 units. From here to here it is 10 units. So 30 units, 30 meters is the displacement of the object. It is the shortest distance between initial and final positions. Or we also define this like final position minus initial position, x2 minus x1. So along with the sign you have to substitute. So x2 means it is minus 20 minus x1 is it is plus 10 meters. What you are going to get? Minus 20 minus 10, that is equal to minus 30 meters. So what about negative sign? Negative sign gives you direction of the displacement. Direction of the displacement is always from initial position to final position. So it is along negative x axis. That's why minus comes. That is x2 minus x1 is equal to final position minus initial position. So final position is minus 20 meter, initial position is plus 10 meter, so it is minus 30 meter. 30 gives you the magnitude of the displacement and the negative sign gives you the direction of this displacement vector, because displacement is a vector quantity and its direction is always from initial position to final position. That means in this direction, anyway we know it is along negative x axis, that's why we got negative minus. And what about the path length? Path length means length of the path followed by the object. Length of the path followed by the object means the object initially is here, now it follows this path, now it comes to here. That means this is the total length of the path followed by the object. So from here to here it is 20 meters, because from here to here 20 meters, and again from here to here 30 meters, and again from here to here 20 meters. So what is the path length? Length of the path followed from P to Q, Q to O, then O to R, just magnitude. P to Q plus Q to O plus O to R. It is a scalar quantity, only it has a numerical value, magnitude. So P to Q is 20 meters plus Q to O is 30 meters plus O to R is 20 meters. That is equal to how much? 20 plus 30, 50 plus 20, that is equal to 70 meters is the path length. So displacement is a vector quantity, path length, somebody call this as a distance. Length of the path followed by the object. And you can observe one thing, that suppose the object is initially at plus 10 meters and next it goes to plus 20 meters, plus 30 meters and next plus 40 meters. From here to here if it moves, now the displacement is equal to displacement. Displacement is equal to final position minus initial position, x2 minus x1, that is plus 40 minus plus 10, that is equal to what you get? 40 minus 10, that is equal to 30 meters. What is the path length followed? Length of the path followed by the object from here to here 10, 10, 10. So total 30 meters. Here I got displacement magnitude is same as distance magnitude. Here I got plus sign. Why I got plus sign? Because the direction of displacement vector is always from initial position to final position and it is along positive x-axis. So I got plus. Here it does not have any direction, just magnitude only we are going to write. But as far as magnitude of displacement is concerned, its magnitude is same as path length magnitude. But in this case, magnitude of displacement is 30 meters and the magnitude of path length is 70 meters. And let me take one more example. That means here the object initially at plus 30 meters and now it come to origin, next minus 10 meters. This is initial position, this is final position. So what is the displacement? That is final position minus initial position. Final position is minus 10 meters and initial position is plus 30 meters. So what you are going to get? Minus 10 meters minus 30 meters, that is equal to minus 40 meters. That is equal to minus 40 meters. Now what is the path length followed? Path length means from here to here, this is 20, this is 10, this is 0, this is minus 10. So path length means 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters. So total 40 meters. Length of the path followed by the object. Here 40 meters gives you the magnitude of displacement and negative sign gives you the direction of motion. And displacement direction is always from initial position to final position. That means it is along negative x-axis, so you got negative. But path length, only length of the path followed by the object, it is 40 meters. If you observe these three examples, here in this case, magnitude of displacement and path length are same. Magnitude of displacement and path length magnitude is same, but here path length magnitude is greater than magnitude of the displacement. That means what we can understand from these three examples, here there is no change in direction of motion. Even at least once it did not change its direction of motion. Here also it did not change its direction of motion, but here it goes forward and then moves back. That means here direction of motion has been changed. That means if direction of motion does not change, then the magnitude of the displacement is equal to path length. If direction of motion changes, then magnitude of displacement is less than path length. So in every case only two situations, either direction of motion changes or does not change. Does not change, magnitude of displacement is same as path length. If changes, magnitude of displacement is less than path length. Means in every case only one condition is fulfilled, that means displacement magnitude is less than or equal to path length. When we have to take equal to sign, when direction of motion does not change. When you have to take less than symbol, when direction of motion changes.